What's going on, everyone? Thank you again for tuning in to another video, EMR Car Builds. Today we got a very exciting episode. I will be installing the Cusco front tower brace for the car and also a Cusco engine room brace for my BRZ. Today's going to be very exciting. No more OEM, so we're going to actually feel the actual handling. It's going to be cool. It's going to be awesome. But first things first, we got to unbox these babies. You know, see what we're working with. There they go, there they go. There we go. So, oh, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this color, sheesh, it looks way better in person. Like, the video does it no justice, man. Hey, that right there just looks sweet. That looks sweet. Oh, I forgot to put this in. This is actually the front strut tower bar with the master cylinder. So this is actually very exciting. I'm so excited. Alright guys, first up we gotta take out the old engine room brace. It's pretty simple. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 13mm bolts. Then after that, that's honestly the only tool you're gonna need. But I advise basically, I might as well get a 13mm deep socket. Stab it, because regardless you're gonna have to take these out, and it's the same thing. They're 13mm, so it makes the job a lot easier. Wow guys, look at the difference. So they both out now. But sheesh, look how thin these are. Look how thick those are. Sheesh. And there's not a big weight change. Actually, I think these might be lighter than the OEM. That's crazy. But sheesh, look at that color though. Look guys, look at the difference in size. See that? Sheesh. You see how thin these are? Now look at these. The Cusco ones. Dang. I love that blue. That finish is so nice. It's gonna make the engine look a lot better. There you go, guys. Engine rooms. Just install them. Like I said, it was pretty simple. Just 4 13mm on one side, 4 13mm on the other side. Same thing, but geez, you can already tell the difference. Gosh. It's just, I don't know if it's just me, but that blue's just really popping. It just sticks out so much, it's crazy. We haven't even put the strut tower brace on, and you can already tell the difference. Dang, it just looks so gorgeous. It's crazy how just one little change could make a big difference. That's crazy. Look at that. Dang. I'm loving the way the engine looks already. But that blue is just, sheesh. That blue is phenomenal. It's time to start the other bad boy. Whew. It's go time. Hello, heads up guys. So I had to use a Allen head. This is actually a I can't tell. It's an 8. It just says 8. So I had to use an Allen head and a 17mm wrench just to loosen this up, so that way I could take out the cardboard that came right here and loosen the other one up, just so I could adjust it when I'm putting it in, because it was at a set position. I guess just to not scratch it. But yeah, just giving you guys a heads up. Yo guys, so I was wrongly corrected. These are actually 12mm bolts, and I actually had to take this bolt out from the engine room brace, so I gotta put it on top. So backtracking my steps. There we go guys. It took longer than expected, because right here where the master cylinder goes, I don't know if you focus. Has like a little bolt, and actually had to use a wrench. I got it with my hand, but that's pretty much it. It's basically the bolt is what's gonna keep the master cylinder in place. But it's also neat to have, because now look, it don't even move at all. But there you guys have it. The only thing I gotta do now is just tighten these bolts up, because remember I had to loosen them up. So I just gotta tighten these bolts up, and yeah, we should be good to go. There you guys have it. The Cusco Strut Tower brace and engine room brace. Sheesh, that finish looks so crazy. It would have looked a lot better there with sunlight, but the night beat me, so there you go. Oh, I gotta do the last thing, the final touch. So this thing got like a little sticker right here. Alright, there you guys have it. Sheesh, that thing look gorgeous. Another thing, guys, so I forgot to provide you with, you see that little red tab thing? That's just so when you screw the bolt in all the way, so it makes solid contact with the master cylinder brace. I mean with the master cylinder. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just don't forget to torque the bolts. I kind of torqued them off camera, but they're at 17 feet of torque. So just make sure you guys torque the tower brace and the engine room brace. Hold on, guys, it's the next day, but I'm gonna go take my car out for a little test drive, see if I can feel the difference with the strut tower bar and the engine room braces. Go, safety first. Oh, it feels stiffer already. Feels weird. It does feel, I don't know if it's just me, but it feels stiffer. Feels weird. Feels good. Feels good. It does need some sway bars though. I do feel that much. It feels like no. It's a lot more responsive with the steering. That's one thing I must say. Steering wise, it feels a lot better. Like it's not a big difference, but it's responsive. It's responsive. It's really very good. You hug the turn, it hugs, it goes, it basically wherever you point it at, it goes. Well, thank you again, guys, for tuning in to EMR Car Build. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like it, subscribe.